Okay, we ran out of time in the last video, so I'm going to continue with the two forms. So here we have two additional forms I created for you on the bottom of this page. One is here, you can search anything in and you can see the get, which means it should be on the URL. It's going to google.com search. So I found these examples and I want to show you this one. So here we have an input type search is our type of text box. And we have some other things that we created as hidden right now. I searched for the word happy and you can see it went to Google search and put in happy and you can see all the happy videos now. If you look at the URL, you'll notice that the word happy is actually here. There's also, I had put in some other hidden fields, so you don't actually have values. But now let's go to the last one. This video really is a little ahead of ourselves. We're going to be doing more of this type of thing later in JavaScript, but you can see here, I wanted to give you a little flavor of JavaScript. It's really, okay, you have two text boxes and the values there is 100 and 100. Then when you hit the button to calculate, it parse int, it just converts to an integer the value of x, which was 100 here, or whatever we put into the text box, the value of y. It adds it together and it scores that, and there's no value. I have a total on it here. It's a little cut off. Oh, you can't really see it. Let's move it up here. Total on the bottom doesn't have a value. I have this right here. I have it's cold. It has a name, the output, and it has a name, and the name is result. And I didn't give it a value. But when I say result.value, it puts the value here. And this is more like what we'll do in JavaScript. So it's ahead of ourselves. So you don't have to understand this right now, but you can see it calculated it. If I change it to 50, it calculated it. And this is the kind of thing we'll be doing much more when we get to the JavaScript topic. And some of this might be a little confusing, but basic idea of the forms is what we're going to be focusing on right now.